NoSQL DB to achieve this unified customer view. Now we'll get into the introduction of NoSQL DB. Ideally, this session would not be, it would be comparing SQL or their relational database management system with NoSQL databases, but then it will not contradict or criticize RDBMS. It will ideally tell why NoSQL could be considered as an alternative, but not it will not discard or disregard RDBMS. So SQL databases, so ideally IBM, Sybase, Oracle, and to lesser extent Microsoft are the mainstay, which were primarily helping in data storage. The basic features of SQL Server, it is completely tabular structure. So all the data is defined into categories, and the data is stored as an instance. So if you take a table will ideally contain the data, and then each row will have the instance of the data, and each column will define the data categories. So user or the applications will access the data from these tabular structure, and it will use them for processing and analyzing the information. In case of SQL databases, there are certain limitations such as scalability and complexity. When I say scalability, when the huge amount of data is pulled in, the scalable factor like increase in capacity of RDBMS is limited. Also, the complexity primarily impacts the performance. More and more data is stored, the hierarchical structure of the data is increased. So in order to process or retrieve the data from the database becomes incredibly difficult. So in those cases, again, there is a trade-off with the performance. So these type of complexities have were available. Were there with RDBMS. Another introduction is like why there was an impact on data management.